Hey everyone, I have an unboxing here for a girl 2 to 4, and it is a unicorn theme. I had to film this one while my kids were home, so I knew that I had to do a voiceover for this unboxing. While I unbox this, I'm going to say something, and I'm just going to say this one time. I just want to say as a reminder to all of us, myself included, definitely myself included, we all pack differently, and that's a good thing. Operation Christmas Child has a policy that we must follow, but it is a broad policy, which I believe partly is because they want to leave room for the Holy Spirit to lead us individually regarding how we pack our shoeboxes. That is why I don't share a lot of my personal preferences on how I pack my shoeboxes, because trust me, I have a lot. I have a lot of personal preferences. I just don't want to try and shame anyone else's shoeboxes. Quite frankly, I'm not the Holy Spirit. I need to focus on how I feel my boxes should be made and trust that God will work in others the way He wants them to pack a shoebox. If someone asks me my personal preference, like in a comment or in some kind of discussion, because they are personally asking me, I will answer them personally with my honest opinion. So let's not put God in a box. Whatever you decide to pack in a box, or even what type of shoebox you use, as long as you are within the guidelines of Operation Christmas Child, you pack the way you love to pack. And trust that God, not me, not any person, but God, the Holy Spirit, will lead you if you ask Him. God knows all of our intentions. So, let's encourage one another and trust that God works through all of us individually. Okay, so here I have a doll for this sweet little girl, and I put it in this little container because I thought that she could, use it as role play for her dolly. Could be like a bed, and of course I have that little necklace there. I feel like I didn't need to explain everything in the beginning. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then she can use her washcloth as a little blankie for her doll. And I purchased that doll for $3.97 at Walmart. So a really great deal. And then I put underneath the doll a pair of underwear and a pair of biker shorts. Now, speaking of the biker shorts, I did not pack a dress or shirt in here, but when I finished filming this shoebox, I really honestly felt that God wanted me to put a dress in here. So the dress that I put in here does not go with her color scheme, but it is a dress that I found online at Carter's, and it was a very expensive dress that I only paid $5 for. I was going to save it for next year, but I just felt God wanted me to put it in the shoebox. So at the end of this video, when I do my B-roll, you'll see that dress that I added in for this little girl. And this was a blessing. I found this at my thrift store, brand new. It was $7 or $6.98, and I found it for $2. And I did take the tags off. I just wanted you to see. And there was a little piece of yarn that I had to cut off of her eye. Now this tote bag, I have seen so many shoebox packers on YouTube make their own tote bags, which are absolutely beautiful, and I would love to be able to make my own tote bags eventually. But for now, I just purchased that from Dollarama for $1.50. And then here is her water bottle. Now, speaking of water bottles, I remember in my very first unboxing that I ever did on YouTube, I talked about my biggest pet peeve being how people put certain items in their water bottles, and I cringe. I cringe at the thought of what I was saying in that video now. God has shown me that I need to be gracious and just show people what I like to add in my water bottles rather than what I don't like to add in them. Because as much as it's hard for me to admit, that is a personal opinion God has shown me. And, it's as simple as that. So, You know, we don't want to encourage others or viewers who are listening to us to be unkind to others because they don't pack the way they feel they should pack. And it's sad. It's really sad. So, you know, there shouldn't be that division between us. So let's just remember to encourage each other. And that is my box for a girl 2 to 4. Thank you so much for watching. And you will see that dress that I added in after I recorded this video. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk to you later.